Super quick, easy, and delicious. That's what you want from a midweek dinner, and this chicken pesto pasta is exactly that. The whole thing takes 20 minutes to prep and cook. So easy. First thing, we're going to add the following herbs and spices you see on screen to some sliced chicken breasts. I always slice the chicken breasts nice and thin just to help them cook quicker. You could marinate this, but I don't think it needs it. It's tasty enough as is. So mix it all through, and I'm going to air fry this. So I'm putting it on the air fryer rack, and then I'll put it in the air fryer at 190 for 18 to 20 minutes. But you could easily just do it in the oven. Just make sure you cook it for longer, and make sure the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees. Once that's in the air fryer or oven, you can get your pasta on the boil as well.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Once the pasta's ready, drain it, mix through your pesto, and then I like to slice the chicken breast and place it on top. And for the classic garnish with something green, I am going to use some basil. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you want the full recipe along with a load of other high protein recipes, you can get them inside my app. The link you will find in the description below. See ya!